Hi everyone, welcome to Netgate Chemistry. So today I'm going to give you some of the recommendations for the reference books for the topics of physical chemistry. Okay, so starting out with the first topic, that is statistical thermodynamics. For this, I would advise you to refer to the book of Peter Atkins. Okay. Moving on to the second topic, which is quantum chemistry. For this, I would advise you for the book of Castellan. Right. Moving on to the third topic, which is electrochemistry. For this, again, Castellan. Actually, Castellan is going to be my topmost recommendation for most of the topics. Next topic will be solid state. Okay, for electrochemistry, you can also refer one book, that is Levine, right? So both the books are good for electrochemistry. Okay, for solid state, again, first will be Castellan. If this is not available or you want to find some else book, so you can have Hui. This is also a very good book. Or the old good book, Puri Sharma and Pathania. Okay, now for the fifth topic, which is thermodynamics. For this, first recommendation again Castellan, and second recommendation will be Atkins, Peter Atkins. Okay, so for some of the topics I can tell you the chapters also from Castellan, because I have read that book. So for quantum in Castellan, there are chapters number 21, 22 and 20. Okay, now the next topic will be group theory. For this, book by F.A. Cotton is very good. Okay, now seventh topic will be physical spectroscopy. First recommendation again Castellan. Second will be Levine. And third will be Peter Atkins. Okay, for chapters of Castellan in electrochemistry, in Castellan there is chapter number 17. Okay, for solid state in Castellan there is chapter number 27. Okay, for thermodynamics in Castellan you have chapter number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, for physical spectroscopy in Castellan you have chapter number 25. Right, so moving on to the next topic. Now the next topic is equilibrium. Again, first recommendation is Castellan, chapter number 11 and 12, and second recommendation will be Peter Atkins. Okay, now ninth topic is surface chemistry. For this again Castellan, chapter number 18. Okay, 10th topic will be polymer. For this you can have the old good book Puri Sharma Pathania. Okay, chapter number 34. For 11th topic, colloids. Again you can have Castellan. 12th topic, chemical kinetics. For this, first recommendation is again Castellan, chapter number 20, 21 and 22. Second recommendation will be Peter Atkins. And third recommendation will be Levine. Okay, now moving on to the 13th topic. Okay, in chemical kinetics, both chemical kinetics and physical for physical photochemistry, both are included. Okay, now for kinetic theory of gases, you can have the book of Levine. Okay, and the last topic, solution, along with colloids. Again recommendation is Castellan, chapters 13, 14 and 17. Okay, so these are my recommendations for the reference books for physical chemistry part. Okay, so I would urge you guys to prepare each and every chapter well. You can practice the questions from these books, or you can have the theory part also from these books. Okay, as for my videos go, whatever topics I am giving you in the playlist series, all the topics will be fully covered. Okay, and after that you can directly solve your previous year questions, right? So if you look at my recommendations, then you will realize that out of these 14 topics, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, out of 14, for 10 topics I have recommended the book of Castellan. So you can, if you can find this book, you can be sure that most of the topics will be covered from that book. Also you can practice the questions from those books also, and not only from these books, you can also you should also prepare the previous year questions of CSIR, NET and GATE. Okay, so with that being said, that's it for this video. Okay, so the reference books for physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry as well as organic chemistry, I will be providing you the videos for all these three, okay, in a single playlist, so you can check that out in the playlist also. Okay, and also I will try to give you the analysis of previous year for the marks distribution in CSIR NET exams. Okay, so far I think this is going to be enough for this video. If you have any questions regarding the reference books, or if you have any other suggestions for the books for any specific topic, you can write to me in the comments down below, so that others can also see that, and others can also benefit from that. Okay, so get your hands on a proper material. Okay, whether it could be books, videos, or the coaching notes from somewhere, just arrange them. Okay, and then just prepare well, and once you start a topic, then don't leave any concepts in that topic, right? So that being said, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.